Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gulus in the kitchen. Today now I am making one of the craziest recipe, Guva ragi malt, with the help of the Guva and ragi flour. I am making the Guva ragi malt. It is very special in summer occasions, helpful to cool the body and immunity power too. Let's check the recipe how I am making. Guava, one big size. Grated jaggery, 120 grams. Milk, 250 grams. Ragi flour, 150 grams. Cardamom powder, 2 pots. This is the recipe for Guva ragi malt. Let's catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipes. Take the guava fruit and cut into 4 wedges. One small piece, keep it in a side, and at last add into the garnish at top. Take the vessel and pour guava fruits, cut into small pieces and add into this. Add the milk. Let boil it nicely. Not only ragi, guava also have the immunity power and lots of vitamins, and it is very helpful for the teeth and stomach digestive system, and it will prevent the jaundice. You can see it's boiling now. Boil it for more 5 minutes. Take the cooked guava and grind it nicely. Make a fine paste without any lumps or any seeds. Pull it for 5 minutes. Then make a fine paste. Next, take the mixing bowl and whisk. Add the flour. Add the flour. Check the water consistency. It's little bit loose texture. Make it very liquid. Make very liquidly and keep it in a side. Switch on the flame and add water. Then add jaggery. Cook it for 5 minutes. It will melt easily. Ragi, water, and cook it for 10 minutes to 12 minutes on low flame. It will cook nicely without any lumps. Switch off the flame, then add boiled guava into this. Whisk it. Next, add the ilachi powder on top. Cook it for 2 minutes, then remove it. Take into the serving bowl. Make it into how you like. It's very loosey, or you can make a very stiff consistency. To garnish like this. Add this sugar a little bit. With the ragi flour, you can make the ragi mudda, ragi juice, ragi soup, whatever you like. You can make it in a different way. You can make in a cakes, sweets and roti. Lots of benefits with the ragi flour. It's nice recipe and it's very thick too. You can make it in a home. Guava with the ragi malt. Nice combination with guava, and the both also very healthy recipe. Thanks for watching.